Hey guys, welcome to Everything Gadgets Pro. Today I am going to introduce an app called Rostan. Many of you guys know the app very well, but anyways I'm going to introduce the app. So coming to the sign up bonus of the app, it is 55 rupees. To know more about the app, be sure to watch the video till the end. So let's just get into the app right away. When you open the app asks you to select the languages. I am selecting English here, and after that it will ask you to enable some permissions, but you can deny them all. It's of no use, like the one I did now. Now head to the earn money section. There the app will ask you to sign up. You can sign in using your phone number, Facebook or Google account, and when you sign in you will get rupees 25 instantly. I'm going to skip this part for now. Okay, as you can see, I got rupees 25 instantly. If you want another 25 rupees, you have to enter an invitation code. It is a must. You can enter the invitation code even in the side of the video or the one in the description box. You can also enter the invitation code of your friend if you have one, and then you will get rupees 25. And with that, rupees 50 has been credited to your account. Now to earn more coins, that is 200 more coins, you have to edit your details. For that, head to this area and click on the description. Enter as you may like a hi or anything else. Now select your gender. Now select your education level, anything you like, and click update. Now 200 coins has been credited to your wallet. Head to FAQ section and click contact us, and then click finish, and that's it. 100 coins has been credited to new user task, and with this you get coins for 8 days. Now click on the first day and you will get 50 coins. Now again head back to the earn money section. Click on check-in and you will get additional 5. You can see a chest on the bottom down corner. Click on it and you will get additional coins. As you can see, 5 coins has been credited to my wallet. You can earn more coins by completing the tasks that are listed below. You will also get rupees 8 by signing into the app for the next 8 days. On the top you can see your coin history and your money history. The coins will be converted to rupees on midnight of every day. You can earn the maximum number of coins by playing games and completing surveys. For every completed game and survey, you will get coins, and those coins will be converted to currencies at everyday midnight. You can also see your detailed earning history if you click on the top right corner of this page. As you can see, when you click there, this page shows the detailed history of your earnings. You can also share this page with your friends to earn additional 10 coins. But you will get the most number of coins if you invite your friends. For that, head to the me section and click on invite friends. You will get rupees 8 for the first invite and then rupees 5 for the remaining invites. Your money will be credited as coins and it will be converted to money at everyday midnight. You will get 1500 coins for every successful invite, that is 250 coins on the first day, 500 coins on the second day, and 750 coins on the third day. Your referred friend must read news in order for you to get coins every day. You will also earn additional 250 coins if your referred friend invites another friend. And this goes on. Coins you earn the first day will amount to a sum of about rupees 5, and that's it. You get rupees 55 instantly in your wallet. And that's for the review, guys. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video. Till then, peace.